Yo, yo, yo! What's up, guys? It's JoshF Gaming, and this time I will be showing you how to use the move trigger and the rotate trigger. So first up is the move trigger. It will make things move to where you want it to. So if you have a brick here, we want it in group 1, and this is in group ID 1. And the most important thing here is to target group ID 1, because then it will actually activate the brick. You could set it to lock onto player X, which will make it move along the player X axis, which is left and right. Or you can do player Y, which is up and down. Or you can do both and make sort of like a boss battle effect. You can also set the amount of time you want it to move for. Like if you want it to move for 5 seconds, you would set it to 5 seconds. If you don't want it to move at all, then do that, which makes the whole point of the move trigger kind of useless, but you choose. Also, you can set it to 10 seconds, or you can even type in your own number. You can set it to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, the highest number it can hold is 100? 1000? Yeah, the highest number it can hold is 9999. And yeah. So it'll make it move for 9,999 seconds, or bricks. I don't know what the unit is. So anyway, you can also set it to move for the amount of bricks you want it to move, which could be 24, which is 2.4 bricks, negative 24, which is going down 2.4 bricks, or vice versa. And move Y, same thing, except it's up and down. And your easing, you can play with the easing. I'm not sure too much what it does, but yeah. You can see it in action. If you want it to move like this, then I'll do this. Move a little bit. And also you can see lock on to player X and Y. See what that can do. Lock on player X, Y. Hold on. See, now it will follow you. Sort of creating like a boss battle effect. But I can get to boss battles in a later video. That is not for now. So, now, let's move on to the rotate trigger. The rotate trigger will, take a wild guess, make things rotate around each other. Yay! So, when it target group ID, which is a thing that's rotating around something, and the center group ID is a thing that something's rotating around. So this is the center, this is the target. So they can't be the same ID, because for logic reasons. You could set the move time for how long you want it to move. This is the times 360 for how many laps you want it to move around. This is for like counterclockwise. This is clockwise. If you want it to move less than one time, you could do this, degrees, like that. You can lock object rotation, which means it will move, like, except it won't rotate. It will only move, like, it won't turn around. It will only just rotate. But actually, nah, it'd just be better to show you lock object rotation. So, anyway, if you have a brick here, that's group ID 1, and you have a spike here, which is group ID 2. Now, if you see, this will rotate like that, because you set it to move 90 degrees, 68. Let's get this back to 0. Whatever, 1 degrees, not really much difference. Times 360 is 10. Actually, times 360, 1. There. It should take 10 seconds to do 1 lap. Yep. Very slow. And right there we had lock object rotation. If you don't want lock object rotation, it will just move freely. Like this. Hold on. Take lock object rotation, and it'll move like this. See? And yeah, that's about it for the rotate trigger. If you have any other questions, you can comment them down below. Well, for you down below. And that's going to wrap it up. So goodbye from JoshF Gaming.